Hi, welcome to Gen Hair TV. Today we have with us Hafiz. He will be sharing with us what issue he thinks he have with his scalp and his hair, and we will do a scalp analysis for him and advise him what he can do to make his scalp better. So Hafiz, maybe you can share with us today what issues you think you have with your scalp and your hair.
Thank you, Jessie. Usually when I wake up or after I shower, I realize that there's a lot of hair that falls, especially from the center of my head. So I try to use solutions and all these things, only to realize that my scalp is actually very oily. So here I am trying for this product.
Okay, so let's go! For derma rollers and scalp stamping device, there is two types of materials, namely titanium and stainless steel. Titanium is a metal which is renowned for being strong, light and corrosion resistant. It makes a much better material than stainless steel. Titanium needles rarely become blunt due to wear and tear. As a result, it can be used for a long time without reducing its sharpness. Our micro infusion device are of very high quality titanium material. With the proper care and continual use, it can last approximately 2 months. Soak it in 70% alcohol to disinfect and sanitize the micro infusion device as shown for about 1 minute. The needles will not wear out as much, and with continual use, they will eventually become blunt only after 6 to 8 times. For stainless steel material, you are not supposed to reuse it as it is intended for single use only, and they are much softer compared to titanium. Pour in the Gen Hair Tonic 2 hair booster solution that you would like to infuse that is made with all natural herbal medicine. You may use this device with minoxidil, tropical steroid, or even platelet-rich plasma. That means your roots are not strong enough to hold. So if you pull and tug, right, easily drop. What is a hair and scalp analysis and why is it important? A hair and scalp analysis allows us to see the state of your scalp up close. We use a magnified scope to assess the condition of your skin, the density of your hair, and view your hair follicles. Our findings will help us to guide you to find a specific solution to your hair and scalp problem. So now we're going to stamp the device slowly over the area on the scalp. Apply enough pressure to penetrate the scalp and feel a slight pricking or tingling sensation, but not enough to cause pain. Hafiz, how do you feel?
Feel fine.
So, if there is hair in the area, be sure to try to move the hair away so you can target directly on the scalp. So in the 1990s, scientists observed that causing micro wounds in the outermost layer of the skin induces production of collagen. So as the skin tries to repair itself, this micro wounding produces collagen, the main building material in the fibrous connective tissues that make up our skin. So in the more recent years, 2015, clinical studies around androgenic alopecia showed impressive results after using the dermal stamping for hair loss over a period of 12 weeks. Collagen is present around the hair follicle bulb. It thickens around the hair root during anagen, the growing stage of the hair growth of new hair. Its importance is key as the hair follicles loses a few layers of collagen when the hair follicles enter catagen or the hair shedding stage. This works in two ways. In addition to prompting scalp to produce more collagen and thus supporting the hair growth stage inside the hair follicle, it also improves the blood flow. The epidermis reacts to the wound by sending more blood to the wound as it heals. Therefore, it is highly advisable to apply our Tonic 1 and 2 solution following the micro infusion treatment. In the recent years, scientists have linked the regulation of our adult stem cells with hair follicle proliferation and maintenance. In hair follicles, stem cells should be present and active to become the progenitor cells. progenitor cells help the follicle to form hair, even in cases of hair follicle miniaturization. Microneedling delivered by a micro infusion stimulates the production of stem cells that further contribute to high production of the progenitor cells. After treatment, you may want to spray on Gen Hair Tonic 2 Hair Booster Solution once again and then massage your scalp lightly. Do not wash your hair overnight to increase absorption of the solution into the scalp. After usage, make sure to rinse the stamp in warm soapy water and dip it in disinfecting alcohol solution and allow the tool to dry. So now we have finished the micro infusion treatment for Hafiz. Let's hear about how he felt during the treatment. So how do you feel?
Okay, actually it's very therapeutic. Okay, best of all, there's no pain at all. Okay, and of course there's no smell. So it's actually very well done, and I really recommend this to everyone.